Traders, hello, welcome back to Simply Forex. Today is Tuesday, the 21st of November. It will be Christmas soon. I hope you haven't spent too much of my present this year. Guys, as always, we're going to look back at yesterday's trades. We're going to look at today's potential trades, and we're going to look at the important news for today. So let's do this. Yesterday, guys, as you know from my analysis vid, I was explaining how I wasn't seeing any setups. None of the day charts were really giving me a trade. And if you have days like that, don't force it. Don't go and try and find a trade or hunt for a trade, as I call it, because, you're just pushing it. Yeah, if the daily charts aren't lining up and they say you don't have a trade, you don't trade for that day. Simple as that. And yesterday was literally one of those days, guys, all right? I'm going to quickly show you this trade. I mean, we was looking at New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar from this level. This is the day chart. We were getting some bullish wicks. We was in an uptrend, so this was potentially a trade we were looking at. And it did work out nicely. But even this trade, guys, if you look at the H4, by the time we woke up, price was already up here. Yeah, it was already at these last highs. So we didn't even have a trade on that one either. So, yeah, the recap won't take long, guys. Not much setting up yesterday. No trade. Let's look at today's trades now. Guys, if you enjoy this analysis vid every morning where I give you my trade ideas, then come join us. Yeah, we would love to have you. So please subscribe to the channel right now, guys. Also smash the notification button so you receive an alert every time we post a vid. And if everyone could please smash the like button. Yeah, it really helps support the channel and the vid. Merci beaucoup, Dankeschön, Shukran, Gracias, and any other thank yous in different languages. In fact, guys, below this video, give me thank you in your language and I will try and use it. Right, guys, trades for Tuesday, the 21st of November. Before I get started, guys, let me just mention a few cool things that we do. So we've got the free Discord channel, guys. It's free. Yeah, we've got traders in there sharing ideas, knowledge. We've got indicators, books, useful links, loads of cool things in the free Discord, guys. Come join it. The link is in the video description. Next, guys, we have the VIP Discord channel. You do have to pay for this, but you get access to me throughout the trading day, as in you can ask me questions. I give you my trade ideas as and when they happen. We also have 2 other expert traders sharing their ideas. I give you exclusive content every week. And we have the Trading Academy where there are, many tutorials on the way I trade, guys. Also, you get access to a performance coach. And we are test driving a couple of strategies over the coming months as well. So much value in the VIP Discord, guys. Come join it. The link is in the video description. Next, guys, if you would like to learn how to read the charts like I do, then drop us an email and we'll send you the details of the mentorship program where I coach you one-on-one. The email is in the video description as well. And finally, guys, if you would like to show your support for the channel, maybe you watch the live stream and the analysis vid every single day, and you would like to become a Simply Forex YouTube member, then you can. Okay, we've got supporter and gold membership, and they both have loads of perks, guys. So check them out. Come support the channel. Finally, guys, don't forget the Sit on Your Hands podcast later on today. Check that out with Kev. It'll be a good one. Right, Tuesday, the 21st of November, trades. I am seeing this. I am seeing Japanese strength. Well, yen strength, not Japanese as overall, but yen strength as a currency. Okay, I'm also seeing Aussie dollar strength. Okay, so this is going to sort of lead the trades for today. So I'm seeing yen strength and Aussie dollar strength for today, guys. However, this yen strength hasn't necessarily translated into trades. Why? Because every yen pair is still in a, still in an uptrend, pretty much. So this is Swiss franc, Japanese yen. As you can see, this is the day chart. It's clearly in an uptrend, but lots of selling pressure. Okay, so it doesn't translate into a trade yet, guys. But you can see, just look at these candles, yeah, just getting, the yen is getting more and more strength. And it's pretty much the same for any yen pair. Aussie dollar yen, like I said, we're seeing Aussie dollar strength, but, you know, this is in an uptrend, yeah, but we're seeing yen strength. But I cannot start selling that. Any of these yen pairs, really, guys. Let's have a look at euro yen. You know, clearly in an uptrend. Yeah, you don't need to be Warren Buffett to see that. Clearly in an uptrend, but yen strength. So I can't sell it because we're in an uptrend, and I don't want to buy it because we're getting a lot of yen selling pressure. You know, and that's basically the story of the yen. But there is one yen pair we can look at, and it's this US dollar against the Japanese yen. So this is going to be my first trade idea. Why does this work? Well, firstly, we've had a structure breakdown, but also we're seeing yen strength, and there is some US dollar weakness. Okay, so that combined has meant that we have seen, you know, hold on to your hats, guys. We have seen a break, you know, out of this weekly grey zone, this weekly grey zone in here. We have seen a structure break. It's broken these lows. In fact, let's have a look at the weekly chart, because we know this was an important area of resistance. Yeah, and it's proving to be again. Yeah, there's no surprises there, guys. Yeah, it was weekly resistance, very important. We're starting to see weekly sellers. Yeah, and also daily sellers now. All right. And you'll see my target is literally just the moving average 20 on the weekly chart, which coincides nicely with this 147 level. Okay. Psychological level. I love a psychological level more than I love Gal Gadot. I know that much. And if we go back to the day chart now, as I said, guys, we have got this break in structure. Yeah, we're currently in a downtrend, and the idea is to take it further down to here after a retrace. Okay, so that's the idea. Structure break off a weekly resistance level, lots of bearish candles, lots of selling pressure, you know, a nice trade. We just want to see that retrace before we come lower. Okay, will we get that? Who knows? Yeah, that's the $1 million question, but that's what I need to trade. If we drop down to the H4 now, you can see this grey zone that I've put in, where, you know, this one here, not the larger grey zone, but this one. Yeah, because prices reacted here, 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 and here. Yeah, this area we know historically is a good level for price to react. The problem with it is will we get a retrace? Yeah, like I said, the $1 million question. Because this is, you know, a very bearish price action. It might just carry on down. And if it does, fine. I don't have a trade. But what do I want to see? I want to see a retrace back into this grey zone. Yeah, perhaps the moving average 20 catches up as well. We get a bearish reaction, and then I can start selling US dollar, Japanese yen. First of all, back down to the lows where I'll take some profit and then leave some profit to run. All right, so yeah, yen strength, and we do have a trade with yen. US dollar, Japanese yen is the first trade idea. I've got two more trade ideas, and these are now based on Aussie dollar strength, which I spoke about earlier, guys. So the next one is this, Aussie dollar against the Canadian dollar. If we start with the day chart, yeah, you can clearly see we are in an uptrend. I'm zooming out a little bit so you can see my target. Okay, yeah, so you can see this blue line. That's the target because price reacted here many times in the past. And that's all a support and resistance level is where has historic price touched a level more than anywhere else? And it's this grey zone. So that's the target. If we zoom back in now, you could argue this is a little bit overbought and there's not much value. Yeah, you could argue that. I would agree, you know, I would agree. But what I do like, guys, is that we've still got this room to move into. But again, we need a retrace. We need a retrace before we come higher. So we're in an uptrend and we're getting, you know, bullish, currently bullish. We're getting bullish candles, all right? If we drop down to the H4 now, because it's going to be a bit of a H4 play, really. So we've got this What is wrong with my zoom in and out button? So you've got this level through here where you can see price has reacted many times at this level in the past. Okay, so this level here. Let me zoom back in. This should take about 20 minutes because my mouse is crap at all of a sudden. So we've got a few levels. These are more daily and H4 levels. I could have made this one big grey zone. Yeah, either or really. But what we want, guys, is a reaction in here back at these last highs or this sort of daily level. We get a bullish reaction. The moving average 20 catches up. Yeah, and we can start buying Aussie dollar, Canadian dollar. Excuse me, guys, still got man flu. So yeah, we can start buying from there. We do have a H1 play, which is what this grey box is. So if we drop down to the H1, you know, we could potentially have a retrace into here, back to these H1 lows. We get a bullish reaction, and then we can start buying Aussie dollar, Canadian dollar. All right, so that's my second trade idea for today. My third trade idea is this Aussie dollar, Swiss franc. Before I show you this trade idea, guys, if I could ask everyone to please subscribe to the channel right now, we would love to have you. Also, smash the like button and the notification button, but smash the like button, guys, so that it helps support the vid and the channel. And also, guys, don't forget the cool things we do. We've got the free Discord, we've got the VIP Discord, we've got the mentorship program, and we've got the Simply Forex YouTube membership as well. And don't forget the podcast later on. All the information for all of these things are in the video description. Right, final trade for today is Aussie dollar against the Swiss franc. In fact, we were talking about this in the live stream yesterday. And if we broke this level, that is a continuation of trend. And what have we done? We have broken that goddamn level. So, follow structure, downtrend, kapow, uptrend. Uptrend, all of a sudden, not sure. Is it ranging? Is it in an uptrend? Is it potentially a downtrend? And then kapow again. Yeah, we get this candle breaking these last highs. So again, if we wasn't sure of trend, we are now. We have now got higher highs. Okay, if I zoom in a little bit there, guys, so you can see it. Yeah, you can see the body of this candle has broken this last high. And that is just a continuation of trend. And the idea is just to take it back up to here. Okay, that is the trade idea. You know, bullish candle, look at the moving average 20, hugging price, structure break. You know, we really like this setup, guys. How are we going to enter? Well, if we drop down to the H4, you can see there's this level in here. You can see where price has reacted historically in here. We'd like to see a retrace back to this level. Yeah, we get perhaps the moving average 20 comes round. We get a bullish reaction, and then we can start taking price all the way back up to here. All right, guys, so that's what we're looking to do with Aussie dollar, Swiss franc. And those, guys, are my trade ideas for today. Let's take a look at the news now. So news for Tuesday, the 21st of November, guys. So in the morning, guys, these are all London GMT times. You can see we just got a lot of speakers. We got Euro speakers, UK speakers, even the Bank of England governor speaking. None of these are 3-star ratings. They're not big speeches, but some things could pop out of these and move the markets a little bit. So just to be aware that they are going on, really. The first piece of news we're interested in is this, guys. At 1:30 London GMT, we have got core CPI month on month, year on year, and CPI month on month coming out of the Canada. Okay, it says 2-star ratings. Nonsense. These are 3-star ratings. Yes, inflation, guys, is super important. So must be aware of these if we're in any CAD trades, guys. That's going to move the markets. After that, at 3 o'clock London GMT, we've got 2 pieces of US dollar news. So we've got existing home sales and existing home sales for October. So, you know, these are also going to move the markets, guys. And particularly any US dollar pairs. And then finally, guys, at 7 o'clock, we got the FOMC meeting minutes. Yeah, so anything that comes out of the Fed, guys, generally moves the market. So we must be aware of this coming out at 7 o'clock London GMT. And that's it for the news, guys. I hope you've enjoyed the vid. If you have, please subscribe, like, and share with your trader friends. Don't forget to join the podcast later today and have a great trading day. See you later, guys.